Our journey begins at this peaceful church, a place of quiet reflection. Leaving the church behind, we make our way to Nugget Point Lighthouse, one of New Zealand's most iconic landmarks. But today, the weather has other plans for us. As we arrive, the sky unleashes a fierce storm. Rain pours down and the winds make it impossible to capture the lighthouse in all its glory. I retreat, hoping for better weather the next day. Dawn breaks with the promise of a new day. The storm has cleared, revealing the breathtaking beauty of Nugget Point. The lighthouse, with its steadfast presence, now overlooks a tranquil sea. The nuggets, ancient rock structures jutting out from the ocean, add a touch of mystique to the landscape. From the coast, we journey into the heart of Catlins, where the landscape transforms into a verdant paradise. The forest here is alive with sounds of birds and rustle of leaves, a stark contrast to the wild coast we left behind. My final destination today is the Aotearoa Waterfalls, one of the most photographed waterfalls in New Zealand. Nestled within the lush forest, these falls cascade gracefully over 3 tiers of ancient rock formations, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power and beauty. From the silent church to the stormy coast, and now the tranquil waterfalls. My journey through South Island has shown me the diverse beauty of this remarkable land. Each moment, each place is a testament to the natural wonders that awaits those who venture here. Next week, our adventure through the Catlins continue as we explore even more of its stunning waterfalls. From hidden gems tucked deep in the forest to more famous cascades, we'll uncover the secrets of these natural wonders. Join me as we chase waterfalls and discover the serene beauty of this lush, enchanting region. Stay tuned. I'll see you next week.